For this lesson, we're going to continue still in this rotation 4D nested dictionary because we just want to talk a little bit about that math.pi directly. So that is the mathematical constant that makes our rotations precise. The math.pi represents the mathematical constant pi, approximately 3.14159, and so on. This is one of the most important constants in all of mathematics. Everybody's heard of or seen the symbol for pi. It's essential for any geometric calculations involving circles and rotations. Math.pi is so important because in mathematics, angles are measured in radians, not degrees. A complete circle is 2 pi radians, which equals 360 degrees. So when we write 2 times math.pi, we're specifying a full circular rotation. Using math.pi instead of typing 3.14159 gives us that mathematical precision. Math.pi provides pi to many decimal places, not just those first 5, ensuring our 4D rotations are mathematically accurate rather than approximations. So let's break down the rotation range. 0 equals no rotation, which is the starting position. Math.pi equals half rotation, 180 degrees. 2 times math.pi is full rotation, 360 degrees. So random.uniform 0, 2 times math.pi generates random rotation angles from 0 to a complete circle for each rotation plane. This is exactly how real geometric software works. When NASA calculates spacecraft rotations or when 3D modeling software positions objects, they use pi for precise angular mathematics. For our 4D entities, each of the 6 rotation planes gets a random angle between 0 and 2 pi radians. This means each entity can have completely different rotational orientations in 4D space. Some might be barely rotated, others spinning through multiple planes simultaneously. The precision of math.pi ensures our 4D spatial simulations maintain mathematical accuracy that matches real geometric principles, making our higher dimensional entities behave according to authentic mathematical laws.